Do the way you did. You do the knots.
Yeah.
And then you undo it like in the morning to look like you're from there.
Get that. Yeah, family, this is Miss Jam Tour's ear. Let us know how it look.
Jam Tour's short here.
Miss Jam Tour short ear, don't care.
They had my long hair, but one to the locks.
Yeah, family, so we're actually heading out to Peekaboo to get a...
To pick a boo.
To pick a high chair for Amish.
Yeah.
I just want to share that experience with you. But I really find Peekaboo very, very, very affordable, and it's like when you and the quality of stuff when you get there, and when you check from other places, you realize that the price is so high
and fragile.
And fragile.
Yeah, like I remember the high chair we checked in Carrefour was 14,000. Yeah, and Peekaboo, I'm very sure it's around 9 to 12 if I'm not wrong.
But you say it was 8.
But that one was on offer, so we are hoping that it has not gone. So it's around 12 there. 12, 11. Well, we could check online.
Oh, you see the offer?
No, that day we had gone to buy. What had we gone for? The baby coat. It was there, but it was the only piece remaining.
Okay, I wish we'd buy it that day.
Hopefully, it was going for 8K.
Okay.
So hopefully we find it.
Yeah,
and the good thing, it's a 3-in-1. So, okay, let's do it this way.
That was the only one day?
No, there are others, but they're for like 12, 13,000.
But that was they only have one piece of that one?
Now, that one was the only one that was on offer. Just like the baby coat. You remember when the baby coat was a price a bit higher, the others. So what I'm saying, with Peekaboo, you see like in Carrefour, that one that we saw for 13K, it's just a high chair.
Oh yeah.
But this one, even if you buy it 13,000, it is serving 3 purposes.
Okay. Right, so we'll check that out when we go,
so
family.
Still,
but you know, with Amish, what I notice is that as he grow, we have to like add small things to his catalog. As he grow, he start to like, you know what I mean?
So fast.
So you have to like try to add things to protect him in a way and stuff. So that's just what we've been doing while we're actually focusing on another one that is coming.
Actually, the funny thing, eating from the pram, I'm not really saying it was the best idea, neither was it the worst idea. But putting him there, in a few you'll find he's down.
Yeah, because he's actually
swinging and he wants to see what is there. And you know boys now, they're not like girls that will be so...
Yeah.
So him being a boy, instead of him to like turn, he wants to sit the other way around. So even the baby coat will adjust the whatever. We'll take it a bit lower because he's trying to stand in it.
Yeah, like normal. Yeah, family. So let's go to Peekaboo, and we'll show you around while we travel around Kenya, and we'll show you our day-to-day living and life. And you know, if you want to come and live just even better than this or just like this, you can come. And you know, it's no problem in Africa. It's all nice.
God, Akim, it's been like how many years? I've not put on lipstick. Like 2. Okay, the last time I put on lipstick was September 18th, 2021.
All right, guys. So let's continue while we show you, while we go along. Tag along with us. We go along. Tag along. Comment, share. We have a membership program going on right now. Like you can just sign up for some perks. You know, just some membership thing. You know, the merch is there, family. You can check out the merch. Some peace, some love, and some sunlight merch. You know, those are the stuff. We have vegan choice foods there that if you want to get yourself on a healthy journey, you can go to the website and learn more about health and how to like fix all of these ailments that you have. You know, just how to live a sick-free life. You know, so you don't have all these ailments, you don't have all these things. And veganchoicefoods.com is the website for you. So check it out, family, and support the Jam Tours family. One love, God bless. Continue. Yeah, family. So we just reached at Peekaboo. Sweetie, where are you going? We just reached at Peekaboo, family. So we're just gonna pick that high chair for Amish. So let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's Muslim. Peekaboo. Oh man, beyond. Hey, we can check there for the duvet cover, sweetie. Let's go on, we're coming back. That is big kangaroo, sweetie. This is kangaroo I'm talking about. Yeah, I think it is. It's very big. Yeah. Yeah, that you cannot finish. Need to ask, speak to the manager.
Which girl?
Yeah, family. So this is it. Let's go.
I hope I don't topple. Trying to video you. Yes. Else I'll be behind you rolling. Love. Duvet cover.
So we just come from Peekaboo. Alkaline brand. Carters, Chico, Phillips, all of the learning stuff for your kids.
Dr. Brown's. I'm not showing, I'm a good videographer.
I mean, she got a bottle to play with. Yeah, family, so we just got back home. I'm gonna set this chair for him now. As you can see. You want it to the higher one or the lower one? Upper one. Give me a screwdriver. This is the instruction. This is the seat. I like the leather seat. And this is this. This is the box. Yeah, family. So as you can see, almost finished setting it up. Just to add the taller foot. So you see, I want to like this feeling easier. Yeah? You don't want it like this. So you can make it higher or lower. Higher, higher, lower, 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 lower. I think maybe it higher is better. Yeah, family. So we're actually gonna make it stay low for now. So Amish can actually feed on this lower. So guys, you know, thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share and comment. We're just gonna pack up these things back, and you know, while we wait until he get a little older, we'll put him on the high chair and put him around the table. So for now, family, I want to like, share and comment. Miss Jam Tours, what do you have to say? I have nothing to say. I mean, I have nothing to say.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
To the Jam Tours Africa Family channel. This is Uncle Roo.
It's because I'm tired, that's why I'm not even thinking straight.
Okay.
The sun has really scorched me and that's
So guys, we are out. One love, God bless, Jamaica. Amish, you're trying your chair for the first time? Yes, your feet. Guys, you look like it's smaller than him. Yeah, Amish?
Are you not adjustment?
Well, the cup is different, so it doesn't matter.
Oh. Well, it's not bad. See how he's enjoying.
Amesh. Yes, yes.
And then you put your ball here.
Throw it up there, see it. Throw it up. Throw it up fine.
I bet you see until he sees you doing something.
Throw it up, throw it up, throw it up, throw it up, throw it up on the table.
Don't his comb. I think you can see the ball.
So you want to throw it up. Throw it up again. Throw it up.